Chapter 9 Animal Parade. Elephants marching one by one. One runs to have some fun. The others go marching, marching away. The others go marching, marching away. Hurrah! 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 Tigers marching in twos and twos. One runs to clean his shoes. The others go marching, marching away. The others go marching, marching away. Hurrah! 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 Monkeys marching 3 by 3. One runs to climb a tree. The others go marching, marching away. The others go marching, marching away. Hurrah! 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 The three little animals laugh and play, while the others go marching, marching away, while the others go marching, marching away. Hurrah! 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 Hurrah!